The vise nut allows you to engage the vise screw to tighten the vise or disengage the screw for a quick adjustment. Over time, the nut's threads can wear, allowing the screw to slip. Replacing the vise nut is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the roll pin that secures the clamp face to the screw. I'll use a punch and a hammer. With the roll pin removed, now I can separate the screw from the clamp face. And I'll be careful to not lose the washers. Next, I'll remove the screw from the nut and the screw guide. With the screw removed, I can remove the vise nut. And now I can replace the vise nut. To reassemble, I'll place the vise nut in the screw guide. It doesn't matter which way you orient the nut when you install it. The difference will be the position it's in when it's unlocked. So I'll place the nut into the screw guide and then insert the screw. Now I'll install the first washer. I'll insert the post through the clamp, install the second washer, and I'll secure it with the pin. And that's all it takes to replace the vise nut on your cutoff saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.